Every day, millions of Americans click buy now, pay later without a second thought. It feels like the perfect solution. No credit check, no pressure, and no waiting. Just a few easy payments, split across weeks or months. It sounds harmless, but beneath that convenience lies a quiet financial trap. Because buy now, pay later isn't just a payment option, it's a system built to make you spend more and save less. And in the end, it can do something far worse than you realize. It can quietly destroy your credit score. Let's break it down, step by step. 1. The illusion of easy money. When you see pay in 4 or pay later, your brain relaxes. You think, it's just $25 today, I'll pay the rest later. And that's exactly how these companies, Klarna, Afterpay, Affirm, want you to think. They're not just payment services, they're psychological tools. Every small purchase feels lighter, easier, safer, and that makes you buy more. But here's the first dark truth. Those small payments pile up fast. You could owe hundreds across multiple BNPL accounts and not even notice until your bank balance runs dry. 2. The hidden credit impact. They tell you it won't hurt your credit. But here's what they don't say. Some BNPL companies report your late or missed payments to credit bureaus. That means one forgotten payment can drop your score, just like a missed loan or credit card bill. And even if they don't report it now, they might start later. The CFPB, Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, has already announced plans to regulate BNPL companies like traditional lenders, which means in the near future, those missed payments will show up on your credit report. So while you think you're avoiding the credit system, you're actually building a shadow record that could come back to haunt you. 3. The debt spiral. Here's the real danger. BNPL tricks your mind. You start stacking payments, one for clothes, one for shoes, one for a gadget, another for groceries. Each one looks small, but together, they create a cycle of invisible debt. You're not just paying later, you're paying constantly. And when you lose track, the late fees hit. Those late fees don't just cost you money, they start a pattern. A pattern that banks and credit agencies call risky behavior. That pattern follows you, and when you finally apply for a loan or credit card, it speaks louder than any promise of interest-free shopping ever could. 4. The business model they don't tell you about. Here's something most people never realize. You're not the customer in the BNPL system. You're the product. Retailers pay these companies to make you spend more. The easier the checkout feels, the less you think. And the less you think, the more you buy. It's not designed to help you budget. It's designed to blur the line between affordable and expensive. You don't notice how much you're spending because it doesn't feel real yet. Until the bills pile up. Until the payments overlap. Until your buy now, pay later becomes pay forever, regret now. 5. The right way forward. Here's the truth no one talks about. Real financial freedom doesn't come from shortcuts. It comes from discipline. If you want something, save for it. Use credit cards wisely. Pay them on time. Track your spending. Because when you manage credit responsibly, you're not just buying things, you're building trust. And that trust opens real doors, better loans, better rates, better opportunities. BNPL gives you the illusion of freedom, but in the long run, it takes it away. Buy now, pay later feels modern, easy, and harmless. But behind the screens, it's the same old story, debt disguised as convenience.